Here we are at Fairways Royale, an over 55 community, and we're about to see a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit with new impact windows, 2 entrances, a service entrance to bring in your groceries, your front door, and foyer entrance. You have a full-size closet with the central vac as you enter the foyer. Very open and remodeled, spacious apartment. Your kitchen has the new cabinets, the double-door refrigerator with ice maker, and cooler for your wine or your bottled water if you do not indulge. KitchenAid appliances. This unit is being offered furnished, move-in ready. Living room, dining room, knockdown wall, crown molding, your large terrace, and you have an entrance from your master bedroom. This is your view of the Diplomat Golf Course. Very quiet. Ceiling fan. This is your guest bathroom. Combination shower tub. Tile throughout apartment. And your guest bedroom has a magnificent wall unit. You slide the bookshelves to the left and the right, and your bed folds right down. As you can see, they use this as an office, and they can be seated here and read a book in the afternoon. And deep closet. Your linen closet, your air conditioner and water heater, your second closet in the master bedroom, and your walk-in closet in the master bedroom. Beautiful high-end furniture, flat screen TVs, your entrance to the terrace with Roman shades, your impact windows with Roman shades once again, a master bedroom set, pineapples, how welcoming, and your master bath. With a very large shower.